Hi, I'm Nancy from Sydney. Look, this is the kale that we grown it in the garden and it's now nice and tender. So it's just been cut, just fresh from the garden, organic, from our vegetable plot. So what I'm going to do is, if I'm going to eat it tomorrow, I better save it. Oh yeah, how do I save it? Now what I do is I just get one of these veggie bags and throw them all in without bruising them. Very gently take them in by the tip of your fingers. There. And shake them down. And I vacuum pack them. Oops. By removing as much air as I can. Like how you pump a bicycle? This one is taking out. Bicycle you pump in the air. This one is out. And give it a twist. And then keep it in the fridge. Just secure the ends with this twist. And it's ready to go, to be kept. Just a simple tip of how to keep vegetables a little bit fresher, okay? Thank you. Bye. I'm Nancy, your friend.